Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will bring you the 10th chess puzzle and checkmate in 2. So watch until the end to know the answer and subscribe my channel to help me improve even more. Share this video for more people to see and let's get in. So now I'll allow you to pause the video and try to find the insane here, the awesome checkmate in 2. It's not that easy. You found it. So now it's the answer time, and I will discuss before the correct answer some lines that you may thought because it's good for your development, okay? So if you thought rook takes g7, the idea here is that if black takes, it's mate because the rook is pinned, but black don't need to take your rook. Black can play just like 8-6. The idea is that if you take, the move can move to 8-7 and it's not mating 2. So rook takes g7 isn't the correct answer. If you thought bishop takes b7, it seems logical because you are trapping the king, forcing to black take, and you play like rook a8. But it's not mate because black can come back. So it's not mating 2, it's mating 3. If you thought rook a8 to pin the rook and do this mate, it's not good because you can take this rook here. And if you take the rook here, the king can go to 8-7 again, and it's not mating 2. So if any piece don't do nothing, so you can move the king, for example, to h2. If you move to h2, g3, or h4, black can check you. It's really cool, this tactic. So bishop e5 checking, forcing your bishop to catch, and it's not mating 2 because you can block. So you can question, what is the correct answer? The correct answer is really cool. You can see this rook is doing nothing, and we have to make this rook do the mate. So the correct answer is that not this vertical move, it's the horizontal move. But you can see the white king is blocking our rook. I said that if you move in these 3 squares, you will be checked. So you have to move to g2. It's brilliant, this move. The idea is that you are allowing the rook to go here without getting checked. If black takes your rook, it's checkmate. So that's the correct answer. If black plays rook c8, trying to take our bishop, you say, okay, bishop takes g7 before its mate. If black plays like h6 or h5 to give n square for the queen, the king, it's not good because you can take, it's pinned. And the final here is that bishop takes g4, it's not check, and that's why king g2 is better than king h2. You can play just this move here and it's made. I hope you enjoyed this video. Subscribe my channel as I say in the beginning of the video and share this video for more people to see. I will wait you for the next puzzles. Take care.